Hi friends, today I will explain in detail about rank, dense rank and row number in SQL with some examples and use cases. And also the important thing, so which one we have to choose out of rank, dense rank and row number based on the scenario. Okay. So first of all, we call all these three rank based functions as window functions in SQL. So there are a lot of window functions like rank, dense rank, row number, lead, lag, first value, last value. Okay. Uh, so first of all, what is a window function? A window function operates on a group of data or group of related rows. That group of related rows is called window, and the functions we are operating on those windows are called window functions. Okay, so there are three rank based window functions in SQL. They are rank, dense rank and row number. So let's see in detail about each of these rank based window functions. So first of all, rank. So it returns the rank of a value within an ordered group of values. Suppose we have a table and we have so many columns in the table, and in each and every column we have so many values, right? So whenever we apply rank on that column, it will order by the values in that column, and it will assign a rank uh, for those values. Okay, so this rank will start with the number 1 and it continues like how many number of values we have in that column. Okay, and if there are two values which are same in that column, or in case of duplicates, okay, so it will assign the same rank for the duplicate values, but the rank will skip the next sequence number. So if there are two duplicates, it will skip the sequence number by 2. If there are three duplicate values, it will skip the sequence number by 3, like that. And we use this rank function to assign rank numbers to columns, and whenever there is a need to find the top values or highest marks, like that, so we use this rank function. And what is the syntax of this rank function? So for all rank, dense rank and row number, this is the same syntax. So we just have to change this keyword. Okay, rank over partition by the column name, order by the column name, and we have to mention the ascending or descending order. So what is this partition by? So whenever we want to operate or whenever we want to calculate the rank based on the for example, department wise, gender wise, whenever we say like wise, okay, that means we are splitting the data into some departments or some groups. In that case, we use this partition by, and on which column we are doing this partition, we have to mention here column or expression. And definitely whenever we if there is a need to calculate the rank, definitely we have to order by on that column in the ascending order or descending order. So we have to mention that order by clause here. So the same syntax for all three rank based functions. Okay, suppose for let's take one example like this is the sample input data of an employee with employee ID, first name, last name, age and salary, and I want to derive the rank for each and employee based on the salary, where highest salary will be assigned with the first rank. Okay, so this is my sample data where I have 7 records, and these are the salaries of 7 employees. So how I am writing the query to assign the ranks? So this is simple. Select all the fields like employee ID, first name, last name, age, salary, and so whatever we just discussed, the syntax rank over here. Partition by is not required because I want to order I want to assign a rank for all the values in the table. I am not dividing it into the groups. So order by salary and descending order. So because I want to calculate rank 1 for the highest salary, that's why I'm saying salary in the descending order from employees table. Okay, so after calculating the rank, the output will be like this. So definitely the top salary is 70,000, so it assigned rank 1 for this. Okay, and then 60,000. So if you see in this table input data, there are three values with 60,000. That's why it is assigning the same rank 2 2 2 for all the 60 things, and it is skipping for the next rank it is skipping. So there are three duplicate records, right? So it is skipping the rank by 3. 2 plus 3, it is assigning 5 for the next value. And if we see for the records 5 and 6, again the salary is 55,000 and 55,000. So again duplicates, that's why it is assigning rank 5 for both of the values. Then it is skipping, there are two duplicates, that way it is skipping the skipping count by 2. 5 plus 2 is 7. uh, the rank 7 is assigned to the next coming value. So like this the rank will be calculated. Okay, so when it comes to the dense rank, it is same as rank. Dense rank is same as rank. Dense rank returns the rank of a value within a group of values, but without gaps in the ranks or without gaps in the sequence. Okay, so rank was skipping the numbers, right? But it will not skip. It will assign the ranks in the order. So here also the rank value starts with 1 and it will continue in the sequence. And if two values are same, or if in case of duplicate values, so for all those values the same rank will be assigned, but after assigning the same rank it will not skip the sequence number, it will continue like that. I'll show you with example. Okay, and the dense rank also is used to assign the rank numbers and find the maximum or highest or top values, etc., like that. Okay, so the syntax is very similar to rank. Instead of rank we have to just mention dense rank. Okay, and let's take the same example for dense rank as well. So this is the input data and this is the query I am using to calculate the dense rank. Okay, dense rank over order by salary descending as the rank. So if you see here, so the top rank is given to salary 70,000 and there are three values for 60,000, right? So for all the three values it is assigning the same rank 222, but for the next value it is not skipping. So like rank, the dense rank is not skipping the sequence number. So for the next coming value it is assigning the next possible rank, that is 3, 3, 3, 4, like that. So dense rank will not skip the sequence, but rank will skip the sequence. Okay, so both are very similar, and row number is little different. Okay, so it returns a unique row number for each row within a window partition. So so even though there are duplicate values, so it will assign different number. Okay, uh, so it will assign randomly. I'll show you with the example. The row number also starts with 1 and it will continue in the sequence. And if two values are same or in case of duplicates, it assigns row number randomly for those duplicate values. Okay, we'll show you with example. And mainly the row number is used to assign a row number irrespective of duplicates. Okay, so if I just want to do some order by I want to do some ordering of values, or if I want to assign a row number just like that without irrespective of duplicates, in that case we use row number. The syntax is very similar. Instead of rank or dense rank we are using row number. And let's see the same example. Okay, so here again whenever I calculate the row number over order by salary descending, so the first definitely the first rank will go to here you can say it is a row number, not rank, but we can give any alias name. Okay, suppose in this case I have given rank only for this, but I am using the function row number, not rank or dense rank. See this, so 1, 2, 3, 4. So even though there are duplicates, the 60,000 this value is present three times, it is giving randomly the next available sequence number. Okay, so how it will decide, we don't know. By the based on the values inserted in the table it will assign the rank. Suppose while inserting these records into the table, so this record was inserted first, this record was inserted next, like that, right? So it may assign the ranks like that. Okay, in the sequence number 1, 2, 3, just like that. Okay, so even though there are duplicates, a different number, different rank will be assigned to each and every value. Okay, so this is the difference between these three window functions, rank based window functions. And the main question is, so which one to choose? So there are three rank based functions, So when there is a scenario, so which one I have to choose? So it's completely depends on the requirements. So in different scenarios we'll have different requirements. Okay, so I'll explain this with one example. Okay, suppose if I want to find winners or toppers based on their score or marks, then definitely I have to choose the dense rank. Suppose if I want to find the top 3, definitely if there are duplicates also I have to uh, get the top 3 ranks. In that case I will go with the dense rank. So instead, if I want to choose particular number of winners, okay, in that case I'll go with the rank. So I'll explain with one example. Don't confuse here. Okay, and if I want to give just ordering based on some column, okay, so I am not bothering about ranks. But if I want to give some ordering for each and every value in that column, I will use a row number. Okay, and if we are sure there are no duplicate values, then we can choose any one, but use row number to avoid confusion. So if you say rank or dense rank, then you may get confused, like oh, maybe there are duplicates, that's why they are using rank, like that. So when you are sure about there are no duplicate values in that column, then we can choose any one, but always I choose row number in the real time. Okay, so let me explain the same with one example. Suppose I have marks of students. Okay, so the marks are like this: 96, 95, 95, 94, 94, 94, 91, 90. Now I want to distribute prizes for for these students based on the ranks. Okay, so suppose I want to distribute the prizes for top 3 ranks. Okay, in that case what I have to use: rank, dense rank, or row number. So I'm saying top 3 ranks, right? So in that case we can go with dense rank, because if you see here there is no third rank, right? That's why we need the rank for sure. Top, whenever I'm mentioning top 3, okay, so definitely 3 should be there. That means the skip, it should not skip the sequence number. So in that case I will say, like, I will first of all apply the dense rank on that column, and at the end I will say dense rank less than or equals to 3. We'll see the same in the use case as well. Okay, but take another scenario where I want to calculate a particular number of people only, not a particular rank, but I want to distribute the prizes for particular number of people. So I just want to distribute prizes for 3. I have only 3 prizes. I have money for only 3 prizes. I want to distribute it for 3. So in that case, when I say dense rank less than 3, then it will take all these values. So how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So but I have money only for 3 persons. So in that case, what I can choose? I can say rank less than or equal. I will apply rank instead of dense rank, and I will say rank less than or equals to 3. So how many rows are satisfying this condition? Only these 3, right? 1 and 2 are only less than or equals to 3. 4 is greater than 3. So I am getting only 3 people here. So I hope you are understanding. So whenever I want to calculate, I want to distribute the prices based on the ranks. Okay, then I will go with the dense rank. Whenever I want to distribute the prices based on the number of people, okay, so I'll go with rank. So you may get a doubt. Suppose if there are 3 twos here, then the count will go to 4, right? So we cannot do anything with that. We have to adjust the prices for 4 people. Okay, so, but if I want to just assign the row number or rank randomly, okay, not randomly, based on some order by only I'm assigning. But in case of duplicates, I'll go with random. So suppose if here 95 and 95, but it has given different rank, but it is in the sequence only. So this is how the rank, dense rank, and row number will be useful in our real-time scenarios. So based on our requirement, we have to choose among these 3 window-based rank functions, rank-based window functions. Okay. So now So I have given one example. Okay, so I'll paste this table DDLs uh, and the queries in the description of this YouTube video. You can get it from there and you can practice. For example, I have given one employee table with employee ID, first name, last name, age, salary. Okay, these fields, and I'm inserting the same whatever the example I have shown in the above slides. The same values I am inserting here into this table, and then I'm calculating the rank, dense rank, and row number like this. Select all the fields, then rank over order by salary, then dense rank over order by salary, and then row number over order by salary. Okay, like this I am calculating the ranks. Suppose the same whatever I explained just now. 70,000 is given the first rank in all cases, and 60,000 in case of rank it is same 222, dense rank also 222, but for row number it is giving different ranks. And when it comes to the rank for the next value, so it is skipping 3 and 4 and assigning fifth rank. But dense rank it is not skipping the next value, it is assigning the sequence number available in the series. Okay, but row number is just assigning uh, the values in the order, the ranks in the order. Okay, so this is the main difference and where we use this rank, dense rank, and row number functions. Okay, so let's go through some use cases. Okay, so I have one table. Okay, students table with student ID, student name, date of birth, gender, and marks. Okay, now my first use case is I want to find the names of top three students. I want to find the names of students with the top three marks. Okay, so whoever get top three marks, I want to find those student names. This is my first use case. And second use case, find gender wise top three students. Suppose definitely in case of students in our in any class, there will be boys and girls. So I want to calculate top three boys and top three girls based on their marks. And the third case is I want to derive MCET rank based on the marks given. So I'll come to the third use case at the end. So first let's go through use case 1 and 2. Okay. So first of all, I have shown you one example here, right? So I have queries for this, and these are the same queries here. So if you want, I can simply execute these queries here itself. Okay. I'm just creating this table. Okay. So if the table is already present, it will simply replace that table. Okay. So if there is any table with the same name, the table will be replaced with this. I'm inserting the same records and I'm calculating all the rank, dense rank, and row number for these values. Okay. So the same whatever we discussed, it is assigning ranks like this: 1, 2, 2, then 5, 5, then 7. But here 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4. But here in the row number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like this. Okay. So this is the simplest example, and queries will be available in the description of this YouTube video. Now let's go through our use cases where we have to insert some data for students table. For first, let me create this table. Okay, so I'm creating this table and then inserting some 23 records. Okay, into this table. Okay, so what is my first use case? Okay, so find the names of students with top three marks. So how we can write a query for this? So first of all, we have to let's look at the inner query. Okay, select star. that means I want to fetch all the columns from this students table, and then dense rank over order by marks in the descending, because I want to calculate top three ranks based on the top three marks, right? That's why. Okay, order by marks descending order as rank. Okay, this is my inner query, and I'm giving alias name S for this. And from this S table, what I'm doing, I'm just selecting name and marks from this, where rank less than or equals to 3. That means, so in the inner query I'm calculating this rank, right? I'm just saying this rank should be less than or equals to 3, and I just want to see in the order, like order wise. That's why I'm saying order by rank. So let's execute this query. Okay, so it is giving me uh, names of students with the top three marks. So what are the top three marks in the given data? 96, 95, and 92. But for 95, there are two students got same marks, 95 and 95. That's why it is assigning uh, same rank for the two people. So if you are getting confused, you can say like rank also here. Okay, see 1, 2, 2, and 3 rank given by. So we are using dense rank. That's why it is not skipping the count, and we are saying rank less than or equals to 3. Okay, that's why it is giving me the results like this. So 3 marks, top 3 marks, 96, 95, 92. But for 95 we have duplicates. That means two students got the same marks, still we are getting them. So this is how we can calculate the dense rank or rank based on our scenario. Okay, so our next scenario is find gender wise top 3 students. That means, so I want to look at the top three students in girls and top three students in boys. So when I told you, right, whenever we say wise, uh, that means we are splitting the data into groups. Now here we are splitting the data into two groups based on the gender, male and female. Okay, so if we look at the data, so we have indicated the gender by using M or F. Okay, so we are splitting the data the same here. So if you see, this is my second use case, and just look at the inner query. Okay, I am selecting all the fields along with the dense rank over. So whenever I say gender wise, so we have to apply partition by gender and order by marks descending order. Okay, and I'm just assigning a alias name called rank for this. Okay, and I'm saying the same, select gender name marks from this subquery, where rank less than or equals to 3. Okay, and order by, I want to just see in the order like gender and then rank. Okay, so this is the query. Let's run this. See he, if you see here, so there are total 7 rows, but when it comes to the gender F, that means girl students. Okay, so for two students we have same marks, 91 and 91. That's why, so if you want to check rank also, so we can put here rank. So there should be three ranks for girls and three ranks for boys. So so the top 4 rows are from the female group, and bottom 3 rows are from the male group. And if you look at the female student ranks, so there are duplicate marks, 91 and 91 and 91. That's why we have the duplicate rank 2 and 2, and it is not skipping the sequence number because we are using the dense rank. Okay, I hope you are understanding. For boys also, see, these are the top 3 marks, and it is again assigning the rank from 1. So whenever we apply this partition by, so it will start the rank from 1 for the next partition. So if there are 10 departments of data, so for each department, if I want to calculate top 3, okay, so what we have to do, we have to apply partition by department number. Like that, we have to apply the partition by class and the order by class. Okay, so this is the second use case. And third use case, so this is somewhat Not difficult, but we have to think. Suppose if you have some idea on MSET system in Andhra Pradesh or Telangana, so how the MSET ranks will be calculated? So have you seen duplicate ranks for any people? Even though there are same marks, there will be different ranks, right? So the first scenario is definitely based on the marks, they will assign the MSET ranks. In case if there are duplicate marks, suppose two students got the same mark, so how they will assign the MSET rank? So they will look at the date of birth column. So first preference is marks always. Then they will look at the date of birth column. So whoever is older out of the two students who got the same marks, whoever is older, who born first, they will get the top priority. They will get the top rank. Okay. Suppose if date of birth is also same, okay, marks same, date of birth same, then the name, they will look at the name in the alphabetical order. So the people name starting with A will be given the priority. Like that, the MSET rank will be calculated. So in this scenario, so in the above two cases, we have seen duplicate ranks in case of duplicate marks. But while calculating MSET rank, the duplicate should not be there. So in that case, what we have to use? We have to use row number, right? I want to assign different ranks for all the students, not same or duplicate rank. So how we can write the row number now? So row number over, I am selecting ID, name, date of birth, marks. Okay, and then row number over order by. So first of all, I want to check marks wise. So if marks descending order. Okay, and then so if marks are same, I have to check out the date of birth in the ascending order. So if we just mention DOB like this, okay, by default it is ascending order. In case of I want to mention descending order, I have to mention. So if I mention like this also, there is no change. Okay, but no need to mention ascending. By default it will take the ascending order. Okay, suppose date of birth is also same, then I have to look at the name in the alphabetical order. That means in the ascending order. Okay, so order by marks in the descending order, date of birth and name. Suppose if name is also same, but in the real time it will never happen because marks have to match, date of birth has to match, name with the surname and full name should match. So this will not occur in the real time, but just think if all of these are same, then it will assign the rank randomly. Okay, so two of the students will get some random ranks. Okay, so let's take this example. Okay, and execute. Now you see, so we have calculated MSET rank for all the students. Okay, so Venkat got 96 marks, so he got the MSET rank as 1. Okay, and two students, Lakshmi and Ganesh, both got 95 marks. Okay, in that case, what we have to do? We have to look at the date of birth. So who is older here? So Lakshmi born in 2005, but Ganesh born in 2006. So Lakshmi has given the priority, so that's why she got the second rank. Okay, so and if you look at below, okay, so here the same case again, 91 and 91, but if you look at the date of birth, so 419 April 19, this is August 15. That's why Sri Devi has given the priority and she got the fifth rank and Satya got the sixth rank. Okay, and if you look at the next set of, so if you see here, name is same, okay, date of birth is same, marks also same, marks same, date of birth same, name same. So it will assign some random rank, not random. So 7 or 8. So next time if we calculate this, this Renu may get a 7th rank and this Renu may get 8th rank, like that. But mostly it will calculate the rank based on the order of insertion of data into the table. So that means this record was inserted into the table first. Okay, that is also not guaranteed because this is row number 16 and this is row number 23. So it is simply assigning the rank randomly when there are complete duplicates like marks duplicate, date of birth duplicate, name duplicate. So randomly it is giving 7 and 8. Okay, so like this the MSET rank will be calculated for all the students. Okay, so here if you see there are no duplicate ranks. So in the real time also, and if you have some idea on AP and Telangana MCET ranking system, it will be like this only. So marks, if marks are same, then date of birth. If date of birth is also same, then the name in the alphabetical order, it will be calculated like that. Okay. So this is one more use case. So like this, based on our requirements, we can apply rank, dense rank, and row number. So all of them are commonly used to calculate the ranks of values present in a column in a table. Okay. I hope this is helpful. I think I have provided complete details about rank, dense rank, and row number with some example. I am going to paste all these queries in the description of this video. You can get them and you can practice. And you may get a question how to practice this. Okay, so there are a lot of ways. So I have explained three ways in the um, previous SQL videos. Okay, so what are the three options? One is just to create one PostgreSQL account. Okay, install the PostgreSQL and you can practice here. And the second one is create a Snowflake account. So I have explained clearly in my previous videos how to create a Snowflake account. And the third option is just go to Google and online SQL compilers or online SQL editors. So there are lot of online SQL editors available online. So just to go to one of them and you can practice these queries. So this is the simplest way. But here the problem is once you close this window, all the queries and data and the tables will be removed. Okay, but this is the simplest option if you want to practice the queries. Okay, I hope this video is helpful. Thank you. Bye.